It's easy, fast, cheap and effective way how to prolong your Mac Studio life. Apple Mac Studio is amazing and powerful computer, but it has one major flaw no one is talking about. You will agree with me that heat and dust are two biggest computer killers. When I don't count the user, of course. The fancy design of the Mac Studio looks nice, but it's an open invitation for dust to get in more easily. There is no dust filter in the Mac Studio at all. On internet, you find tons of photos of dust buildup on the base where the intake holes are. That will obviously block the fresh cold air intake and result in higher temperatures, lower performance and shorten lifespan of all those components. But that's not the main problem. The main problem is not the dust which is accumulated on the outside of the Mac Studio, but the dust that has already found its way inside and is already stuck to the internals. Neither vacuum or compressed air will reach fully all internal components sufficiently to remove all the dust accumulations. Simply, once it's in, you will never get it out without full teardown of whole Mac Studio, which will void your warranty, of course. So, logically, the best solution would be to filter out the dust before it enters the air inlet. But okay, that's nice, but how? Alongside some DIY attempts, there are already on the market some commercial solutions for this issue. I will link it for you in the video description. But today I want to show you extremely easy way how I fixed this problem myself and even for free. And believe me, it's extremely effective way. If you are a woman, then it's easy for you. If you are a man, then ask your wife or girlfriend or ask your boyfriend, no problem. Simply ask for some ripped off pantyhose, tights or stockings. Keep in mind, the thicker these tights are, better it will act like a dust filter for even tiny particles. But that means it will also block more cold air intake, so your temperatures will also be higher. After a lot of experimenting, I ended up on tights with 20 denier thickness as a sweet spot. Lower denier number here means more transparent or thinner. Higher number, more opaque, so more filtration. Cut around 1 foot or 30 cm long piece measured from the foot and slide your Mac Studio inside. Let me show you how I do it. So here you can see, it's even visible the logo here, but that's not intentional. Here you have the hole for the air to get out and plenty of space for your ports. And this is the most important part. This is so tiny that it will really keep all the dust outside. It's easy, fast, cheap and effective way how to prolong your Mac Studio life. Maintain same performance, but more importantly, how to keep it clean and completely dust-free. If you found my video tip useful, then hit the like button below, share it with your friends so it can help to more people, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. And watch my other useful videos here. Take care and see you next time, my Macintosh friends.